Good morning YouTube, as always thank you for tuning in, please like and subscribe. So today we're at Oulton Park for the French extravaganza meet. So start off over here, this is where there's a lot of Citroen 2CVs. Right, you've got a Citroen C2 here. Saxo VTR. Got the GS Club 2CV6 Special. Look inside. A couple of these. So you got a lot of 2CVs. Got a massive C6 here. Obviously that's a very comfortable car, something that obviously Citroen are renowned for, especially with the older cars that obviously had the air suspension. Citroen Zara VTS, a more sporty model. Oh yeah, that's like the Citroen 2CVs. We'll walk through and go look at the Alpines. There's a lot of A110s here today. They initially wanted to get 110 here. I don't think there's quite that many, but it's certainly obviously the largest amount of A110s in any one space. But just before we get to them, I think here's some of the older original Alpines. Or no, actually maybe not. These are something different. Anyway, let's go to the front of this row. We got here early, so we're on the front row. Now, the beauty of having so many in one place, you get to see all the beautiful colours that the A110s are available in, because obviously they have an Italia range of colours as well. They've got many different variations of blue or grey. Blue. Different blue again. There's ours in fire orange. There's a yellow one. Another blue. You got a different shade of blue. I think that's like a San Remo edition. Alright fellas, getting all these different colours in one video.
I was watching one of your videos at 6 o'clock this morning.
At 6 o'clock?
Yeah, I was, yeah.
Oh, that's dedication, that is.
Subscribed as well.
Thank you. Cheers. This will be a new one going live later.
Oh, okay.
Lots of Alpines in one place. Here's the Merseyside Liverpool police Alpine. They use it as a police interceptor. I was just speaking to the officer who drives it. Said he's had it up to 150, obviously on the job, catching a criminal. His comments were, at that kind of speed the car remains extremely stable, definitely was built for it. There's a Alpine A110R, a Le Mans edition, this one I think, which is an extremely special edition. So the A110R does have a back window. You can get carbon instead of a back window. This one looks like it's got some of the Life 110 wheels on it. You also get the carbon sidewalk, carbon roof. But it was the same on the inside. You get a carbon bonnet as well. Like I say, these are about 1,080 kilos. That's with a tank of fuel, all fluids on board. So less than 1,100 kilos. So the only modern car that you can actually buy today that weighs about a ton, which why it makes them such good fun to drive, is the fact that they do weigh so little. But yeah, we've got lots of variations of blue. This original Alpine here, I think these were called a GTA 6. Yeah, so a V6 turbo. I remember being in one of these when I was really young with a friend's father. He took us out for a drive in it. Obviously, when I was very young, I had a Peugeot 205 GTI at the time, and going out in that felt like it was a rocket ship. And you got another fire orange car here with a green fuel cap. I think the story of this one is he actually wanted a green car, so he bought a green fuel cap. Because I've never seen this colour before. It's like a bluey, grey, green. Lots of colours. Very nice colour. We'll come back to the Alpines. Let's just do a walk of the. Got lots of Peugeots. I know I grew up with Peugeots. Had lots of 205s. Hence why my email address is gibbo205. Because I had 3 of them or 4 of them. I had 4. I had 2 205. I had a 1.4 XS, a carburetor, and I had a 1.4 XS that was fuel injected. Then I had a 1.6 GTI. I also had a 1.9 GTI. My friend had a Turbo Technics 205 GTI. That was crazy fast. Had a low and a high boost function. Now you got the 306 C's, 206 our van. Just to have a quick look over here. There's some Renault Twingos, which are really cool. Got a Clio Williams here. It's really nice. There's the Renault Twingos. Got a Gordini Twingo here. We've got a really nice Renault 5 Turbo here. Yep. Clio 182. RS, another Clio RS, Clio 172, might be a cup, Clio, some Peugeot RCZs.
Don't worry what it says on the screen. I'm talking to you about stuff.
Megane RS, one of the new ones. Much bigger car now. 5-door. And then we got a lovely liquid yellow Megane here. These are very nice. R26 Megane, extremely good handling cars. Had a friend who used to have an R26R, which was the one with the plastic rear screen, all about weight reduction. I got an Inferno orange Clio here, £7,500. Anyone's interested, there you go. Zoom in on that. There's a Renault F1 edition Megane here. Another Renault 5. That's one of the new Renault Clios. With the 6-speed EDC. You got a very nice trophy. This is like the show and shine section. You can smell the products. That's the RCZs. There's another Clio trophy. This is again 6-speed auto. One of my dream cars when I was young was a Miami Blue 205 GTI. It was really nice. I also absolutely loved these 106 Rally. Brilliant cars. And you say this is also a perfect spec 205 GTI Miami edition. You got the full sliding sunroof. You got red carpets with the red checkered seats. Yeah, brings back memories. There's not sure the exact model, but it has a Maserati 2.7 V6 in it. So you got the 106 Rally, amazing cars. Got a, not sure what that one is, it's not standard. You got a 205 Cabriolet CTI edition. That's obviously, this car is absolutely spotless as well. It's like, you get down in an arch there, you can see how clean it is. The engine, and he's got a mirror. You can actually see how clean the underside of the engine is. Totally spotless. There's even a camshaft holding up the bonnet. Really cool. There's also a laser green 205 GTI here. I always wanted a Miami Blue, but now if I was to buy a 205 again, I think I'd actually want a laser green. That's a lovely colour. Literally, the owner of this just recently acquired it as well. Didn't dare to ask how much he paid, but probably wasn't what we used to buy them for when we were younger. Another RCZ there. Quite a few 205s down there. There's also a 106 GTI down here. Something else. I never actually owned a 106 GTI. I always contemplated one. This one's fully set up for racing. Full cage in it. Yeah. That's all properly set up as that. We've got some more 205 GTIs here, 160s. Really cool. And we're back to the cool blue Alpine. There's the police interceptor one. Oh, there's another A110 Aero with fire orange, and I think it is literally just like ours. Has it got all the same bits? I think so. Different wheels though. I think they're aftermarket. Got a small plane flying over. And we'll just quickly go over here and end it. It's pretty cold today, and holding the phone without my gloves on, my hands are starting to freeze. Yeah, we've got some more 2CVs. Let's go over here. There's some more variation. We've got some Saxos, VTS, more Clios. Got a Saxo VTS here. Looks like it's all set up for track. Very clean example. All very clean in there.
There's no fucking bins. There's lap dancers.
Citroen AX. Got a 205 Rally here in yellow. The original tin wheels. That's cool. Oh, look at that, it's got the trumpets out. But that sounds ace, under full chat. Very clean. Oh, there's some really nice Saxos back here actually. Oh, I've just spotted another 106 Rally. We'll have a look at these. Yeah, VTS. So this one had the 1.6 16 valve engine. But very much a 106 GTI competitor. I think they're actually very similar cars, maybe even shared components. Yeah, this blue 106 is stunning. Yeah, that's lovely, that is. Yeah, and that's a brief tour of the Oulton Park big French car meet this weekend. Yeah, shall end the video back over at the Alpines stand and have a chat with some of the people that I know there. As always, thank you for tuning in and watching, and please like and subscribe. These guys are all going on track to race. Proper racing, it's not a track day, it's a race day. Definitely an assortment of cars though. Oh, an E46 M3. Seems a bit unfair that that's going on. Oh. Honda. Looks like a Jazz. Oh no, it's a Civic Type R maybe? Yeah, Civic Type R. Vauxhall. Oh, it sounds good back here. Some Fords. Clio. Ford Focus. Honda Civic FN2. Another BMW E36, that one I think. E36 compact maybe, and that's it.
Not too far behind that, you'll find fourth place Paul Masters, and then in turn Richard Wood still running fifth. Not able to go with the cars ahead, and actually could have a bit of better pressure coming behind is one of our Clios, struggling midfield, but I think it's just managed. Issues as a result of that, so the field was